What if the problem with Brazilian waxing isn't the hair removal, but how it's disrupting your skin's natural ecosystem? Today, we're revealing a smarter, skin-friendly way to wax, without irritation, ingrowns, or long-term damage. Smooth skin has always been the goal, but comfort, balance, and long-term skin health are becoming just as important. Traditional Brazilian waxing focuses on results you can see, but often ignores what you can't see, your skin's microbiome. Today, we're exploring the biome-friendly Brazilian wax, a modern approach that works with your skin, not against it. Brazilian waxing is effective, but many experience redness and sensitivity. That's because waxing doesn't just remove hair. It affects your skin barrier and the beneficial microorganisms living on your skin. This microbiome acts as an invisible shield, helping your skin stay calm and balanced. When it's disrupted, discomfort often follows. The biome-friendly approach shifts the goal from just smooth to smooth and supported skin. Preparation is where most people go wrong. Start with gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 days before waxing. Instead of harsh scrubs, use a mild exfoliating method. This helps lift dead skin cells and reduces unnecessary stress. Hydration is vital. A lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer keeps skin flexible. Well-hydrated skin recovers faster with less pulling. Switch to a pH-balanced, sulfate-free cleanser for intimate areas. This maintains your skin's natural defenses before waxing begins. Healthy prep equals healthier results. Not all waxing methods are created equal. Hard wax adheres more to hair than skin, making it gentler for sensitive areas. A trained professional should use a low-heat, slow-pull technique. This minimizes inflammation and surface trauma. After hair removal, apply an alcohol-free calming toner. This helps reduce redness and supports faster skin recovery. Small details here make a big difference. Post-wax care is where biome-friendly care truly shines. Quickly apply a soothing gel or serum with prebiotics, probiotics, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients reinforce moisture and support balance. Avoid tight clothing, which creates heat and friction, two things freshly waxed skin doesn't need. Wear loose, breathable fabrics for the next day. Daily maintenance is important. Stick with gentle moisturizers and avoid harsh soaps. Consistency supports a stronger skin barrier over time. This approach delivers more than just smooth skin. Expect fewer ingrown hairs, less redness, and improved long-term comfort. When your skin feels calm and balanced, it shows. To recap your biome-friendly routine: gentle exfoliation, daily lightweight hydration, pH-balanced cleansing, skillful waxing technique, immediate calming care, breathable clothing, and consistent barrier support. Waxing doesn't have to be a battle. It can be mindful self-care. If you found this helpful, support the channel by liking and subscribing for more science-backed, skin-smart wellness content. Remember, healthy skin isn't about doing more. It's about doing things better.